Man, this shoot's straight up wild. In 1955, the eccentric art genius Salvador Dalí turned his seaside villa into a dreamscape. Every frame screams otherworldly. With that twisted mustache and bizarre props, Dalí wasn't posing. He was straight living his imagination. Yo, these shots are pure vintage vibes. Coney Island was poppin'. Packed beaches, wild rides, and killer summer energy. You can almost hear the carnival tunes and smell that popcorn. Straight up old school Americana frozen in color. Rita Hayworth defined classic Hollywood glam. She lit up the silver screen with that smile and fiery red hair. Every photo screams confidence and charm. She wasn't just a star, she was the fantasy of the 1940s. Pure vintage magic, no cap. Ben Shahn captured small-town America like a pro. London, Ohio, 1938. People chillin', laughing, and just vibing through life. No filters, no fake poses, just real folks in real moments. Straight-up heartland energy. Claudia Cardinale was stunning. With that mix of elegance and fire, she ruled the screen. Every shot's got that movie magic glow. She didn't need filters. She was the filter. Timeless charm, forever iconic. Pam Grier, total queen energy. She redefined badass beauty, serving fierce looks and breaking Hollywood barriers. From coffee to foxy brown, she owned every scene with that fearless aura. Straight up legend. These old school machines are wild. Dr. Gustav Zander basically invented fitness before gyms were even a thing. Those steampunk contraptions looked like torture devices, but they were the blueprint for your modern workout grind. Picasso's studio was a whole vibe. Paint everywhere, chaos everywhere, and yet pure genius in motion. These intimate shots catch him in his zone, breathing art like oxygen. Dude wasn't just an artist, he was art. This lil ride's a whole mood. The KR200 looked like a mini jet cockpit. Quirky, tiny, and totally iconic. Not the fastest, but man, it had style. Retro drip on 3 wheels, baby. Yeah. This one's low-key eerie, but crazy cool. These masks captured final faces of history's legends, from kings to poets. It's creepy, yeah, but also kinda beautiful. Like touching immortality through plaster. Straight-up haunting vibes. That moment was cinematic. At a White House gala, Princess Diana hit the floor with John freaking Travolta like a real-life movie scene. Royal Grace met Hollywood swagger and the world just froze. Total fairytale vibes. Bruce Lee was pure lightning in human form. Every pic shows discipline, focus, and power. He wasn't just flexing. He was building a legacy that still hits hard today. Absolute icon status. These shots are gold. Brando chillin', Pacino looking intense, Coppola running the show. It's movie magic before the world even knew. You can feel the weight of history being made right there on set. Pure 90s vibes right here. Selena lit up her Coca-Cola shoot with that killer smile and unstoppable confidence. She wasn't just repping a brand. She was repping pride, culture, and timeless Latina beauty. Straight up icon energy. Sophia Loren was the blueprint. Pure class, pure power. Every shot drips with confidence and elegance. She didn't just follow fame, she made fame chase her. Golden Age goddess, hands down. Andre was a unit. Over 7 feet tall, larger than life, and still humble as hell. These pics show both his beast mode and gentle side. The man wasn't just a wrestler, he was a living myth. Talk about timeless beauty. Those color photos of Scotland hit different. Misty hills, ancient castles, and pure peaceful vibes. It's like stepping into a fairy tale before the world got loud. Old school magic. No filters needed. Vicky Dugan was bold before bold was a thing. Her backless gowns made Hollywood lose its mind. They called her the Back, and she wore that title proud. Confidence, attitude, and pure vintage rebellion. Clint Eastwood was the definition of cool. That stare, that swagger. He didn't play tough, he was tough. Whether in spaghetti westerns or real life, he was pure grit and charm. Hollywood legend mode, always on. If you vibed with this trip through time, smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more dope history drops every week. Stay curious, stay cool, peace out.